Meaning of genitalia.
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 Genitalia. Genitalia refers to the external reproductive organs of an organism. These organs are responsible for the production and transportation of gametes, reproductive cells, and, in mammals, the development of embryos within the female body. In males, the genitalia include the penis and scrotum, while in females, they include the clitoris, vulva, and vagina. The size, shape, and function of genitalia vary widely across different species, and they play a crucial role in sexual reproduction and evolution. Understanding the diversity of genitalia is an important area of research in biology and medicine.